Now what I'm going to do is go over how to find a missing endpoint. So what if I had a point and another point, and I knew this was the halfway point, and I wanted to find A. Well, I know A is someplace over on the left side of M, someplace here. If it was graphed on a coordinate grid, you'd be able to determine the other point, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we take our formula, and right now we have our M. It's like we have our answer. So we have B, so that's one of my points. I'm going to call that x1, y1. But I don't have my next coordinate. I don't have A. So if I call that x, y, now I can find my missing points. So what I'm going to do is take 3 plus my x. I don't know what my x is. I'm going to divide it by 2. This comes from the midpoint formula. So my first x, x1 is 3. I don't know what my x2 is, so I'm going to call that x. And it equals the x-coordinate for the midpoint, which is -1. Now to solve this, I need to cross multiply, and that gives me 3 plus x equals -2. Subtracting 3 on both sides, I get x is -5. So I'm going to do 6, the second part of 6 on problem 7. So I'm going to draw a line through here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to take my y coordinate, and that's -5 for problem number 6. I don't know what my y is, so I'm going to add that and divide it by 2, and this is going to equal your y coordinate, which is 2. Again, multiplying, cross multiplying. The inverse of division is multiplication. So those two are getting multiplied, and I get -5 plus y equals 4. Add 5 on both sides. Y equals 9. So my final answer for problem number 6, and all these I'm using for number 6, is a coordinate. Your x-coordinate is -5. Your y-coordinate's 9. So your point is going to be -5, 9. So when I assign you the homework's on homework number 3, you can use these notes.